the whole reason the company got started was to sell performance parts.
Oh, yeah, baby. Yo, this is amazing.
But those performance parts were being sold specifically to fund racing.
Let's go!
There was never a business model in place where, okay, we're gonna build this big place or run a huge shop. It was literally, okay, let's sell some parts, let's go racing. So racing is an addiction of ours and pretty much all the staff. So this car, I actually bought it in 1997 from the Toyota dealer, and it was a 94.
Introducing the revolutionary new Toyota Supra.
Just wanting something kind of fast, something cool, you know. Then ended up following into the racing scene, started getting beat because the car was completely stock. So then I started tinkering with the car, trying to figure out how to make it quicker, you know, learning online. And before you know it, I'm racing the thing all over the place. And that's just kind of what it's grown into. So we've had the car since before we started the company. And I mean, the company's 21 years old. So we continue to race it. It's our favorite car to race.
Basically, at the moment, is to just go deeper and just R&D the platform to, because our company is, you know, founded on drag racing. So we want to just basically push the limits of the car.
I will be your shield in the fiercest battle. I'll defend you from all these arrows, and the sword I will keep you from danger.
Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Hey, ready.
Yeah. It's just you, me, and the odds. We stuck together, we two peas in a pod. You dealt a bad hand, I'm there seizing the cards. We'll never be separated till we seeing the gods. We've been low together, high forever. Long as we go together, we'll die whenever. Be a light, couldn't let the darkness try you ever. Truth in my word, you I lie to never.
Yeah, so essentially we're a super specialty shop, so that's pretty much the gist of what you're going to see here. Anything from the MK4 to the brand new MK5. We have a few twin turbo Lambos behind me. We have a underground racing Huracan, and we also have one of our own twin turbo Gallardos that we built back in the day. Essentially, we build anything from your local street cars, your 600, 700 horsepower street cars, to everything, for example, like this car, it will make 1,400 horsepower when it's done. We have full drag cars, we have a full chassis, shop capabilities. We make in-house roll cages, everything like that. So it's a pretty versatile shop all in all, and it's grown over the last 20 years.
Most of the car guys out there, even though they would say, hey, I would not build that, they definitely appreciate it. It sometimes probably even gets more attention if it's something you don't like, because it's something you haven't seen before.